everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a budget room transformation, and I know I am not usually doing this kind of videos, but I am taking a different approach with my YouTube channel just because I don't feel any satisfaction in doing makeup tutorials anymore. So I still love makeup, I still like playing with makeup, I might do a get ready with me now and then, but I'm gonna try and focus more on home, cleaning, organization, DIYs, decluttering and all these kinds of stuff. So yeah, this is the room that you're going to see in the video and how I arrange everything. I painted the room, the walls, the sketching boards, everything. The only thing that was in the room was the bed frame and the wardrobe that is incorporated in the wall. But other than that, I brought everything. There are stuff that I had before, there are some stuff that I just bought, but yeah, this is a budget-friendly room makeover. So if you want to see how I did all that, please go ahead and keep on watching. So now I'm gonna take you along and show you everything that I've put, and if I remember where I've got them from or the correct price or anything, I'll let you know. But let's start with the walls. So the paint color I used, it's called powder gray, and it's a really nice light gray, and I really love how it came out. The room feels more spacious and airy, and yeah. So then on the wall I have two nice pictures. I like the black and white theme because I don't know, it feels less cluttered and very minimal. And then working on the bed. So I told you at the beginning of the video that the bed frame was in the room, but the mattress, it's mine. I bought it from IKEA. And then the headboard, it was as well in the room, and I don't really know where it's from, but yeah. Now the bed sheets are again from IKEA. The two cream throw cushions are from Michael Guinness. They come separate, so you buy the inserts and the covers separately. The small one in there, it's from Pennies, I think. I bought it a long time ago and it was really cheap. And the throw pillows as well, they were really cheap. I think around, I would say €7 for one, if I'm not wrong, though I might be wrong. But yeah, I'll try to leave the prices in the description box down below. Then we have the throw that I also bought from Michael Guinness. Again, it's really neutral colors because I wanted this room to be more neutral colors, just to have a more minimalistic look. Then moving on to this side in here, this chest of drawers I had for a very long time, about 6 years. It used to be brown, but I painted it with chalk paint white, and now it looks terrible. So probably this will come up in another video where I DIY it again, and I just paint it white, but not with chalk paint anymore. Then on the corner there I have some of my favorite books. We do have a diffuser in there and some of my favorite perfumes. Then moving on, we have the curtains in here that are as well from Michael Guinness. As well, they were very cheap for this length because they are around 2 meters and something. I'm not really, 280 I want to say, but I'm not completely sure. I leave all the details in the description box. But yeah, they costed €40 and I find them very nice. The nets, the curtain nets or whatever they are called, they are the same from Michael Guinness and they are really cheap. Then on this corner in here we have a salt lamp that I bought from a health store thing, which yeah, I thought it looks really nice in that corner in there. And this small chest of drawers, it's from IKEA again, and it is a metal one, so it's quite sturdy and handy. Then moving on to this side of the room, that is the wardrobe that I was telling you. It's mounted in the wall, so you can't really move that, you can't do anything, it's just there. And then in here we have the Alex 9 drawers from IKEA, and I have my lovely orchid that I had for a few years now, and it's blooming really nicely, and also some aroma reeds. Then moving on to the bathroom, I got these two floor mats from Starbuy, I think it's called, the shop. So if you live in Ireland you'll probably know it, but both of them were a set and it costed like around €7. And then in here I have hand wash with a tray that I've had for years again. Then in top in here we have cotton pads and my daughter's toothpaste and mouthwash, and same with mine. The tumbler in here, I bought it in Starbuy as well, and it was 1.99, €2, around that price. These acrylic organizers I got in Starbuy as well, and they were 1.50 each. Then in here I just put a some aroma reeds. They are from Aldi, if I'm not wrong, but I thought for the bathroom they're really okay. Then we have some of my favorite body oils, and then in this corner in here it's all my skincare that stays in another of these acrylic organizers. Then in the shower in here it's just, well, shower gels and whatnot. So this is everything for now. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. I will do a follow-up video with probably some organization and decluttering of all of my stuff, because I am moving from a different room in here. So I just moved some of the furniture and I did the bed, but I still have to move everything from the other room in here. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!